How you going, guys? Today we're just doing a basically an odor trap for a floor waste gully. It's one of DEKS's new products. So you have your 100mm riser for a floor waste gully, and then if the area is not used often enough or it doesn't get cleaned out, sometimes that water trap will dry up, eventually leading to nasty odors, bugs, all the fun stuff. So this little design is basically like a waterless trap. So it goes into our riser, nice and firm, tucked in there. Ends up looking something like that. Once the tiling's done, they finish it off with a nice floor waste gully cover. Chrome lid on that, looks good. And inside you've got that seal. Now, before I actually put water in it to see just how well it works, water flows through, no dramas, so when you're washing out the area it's not a problem. However, when I tip it upside down, no water came back through, which for me is pretty good. So it's going to stop a water seal. It's definitely going to stop the nasty smell of sewer gases coming back through. So if you're looking for an option for someone that doesn't really clean the area too often, shopping centres, that sort of stuff, it's a really good option to stop that nasty smell coming back through. Thanks, guys.